Are you ready to become a budgeting wizard? Well, you're in luck because I've got 5 magical budgeting tips to turn your finances around. Tip number 1. Say goodbye to those expensive coffee shop coffees and make your own caffeinated concoctions at home. Next up, let's talk about the grocery store. Make a list and stick to it. No more impulsive purchases that magically disappear from your bank account. Now, let's dive into the enchanting realm of subscriptions. Cancel any that you don't absolutely need or use, and watch your savings grow like magic. Keeping track of your expenses is key, but who has time for complicated spreadsheets? Fear not, my budgeting apprentice. There are magical apps that can do the work for you. And finally, let's summon the power of comparison shopping. Before making a purchase, channel your inner wizard and check if you can find a better deal elsewhere. So, there you have it, my budgeting apprentice's 5 quick and magical tips to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. Get ready to wave your budgeting wand and watch those savings grow.